Can you move back? Oh, one in there.
Just careful with his claws.
Don't fire. Can you get water out of my car?
Do you want to put him in the blanket and bring him out of the hot stuff?
Just want to get this room. Sorry. More water. All right. We'll get going in a second.